Hi traders, this is Carl Vincent Catalan of Guerrilla Forex Trading. Welcome to the first part of our tutorial video on Guerrilla Forex Trading with multiple time frame analysis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your indicators for multiple time frame analysis. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use FXCM's TradeStation 2 platform. So I strongly suggest that if you're not trading with FXCM, that you download a demo account of TradeStation 2 so that you can use this indicator setup. The next part of our video, we are going to discuss the rules in which we will execute this strategy. But for now, we will go through the process of putting the indicators into your chart. Okay, we use two different sets of indicators for multiple time frame analysis. The first set are moving averages of different time frames, and the second set are the stochastics across different time frames. So first, we will work on the moving averages. Okay, this is very simple. Now, from your TradeStation 2 platform, you just had to click the Add Indicator icon and choose the Simple Moving Average or MVA. On period average, color this red, it a little thicker. Click OK. So this is our first and default moving average, which will be shown on all time frames. Now we are going to add the same 21 period moving average, but using data from the 4-hour chart. So again, we will repeat the process. Click the Add Indicator icon, select the moving average, same period, 21, and then let's change the color to yellow to differentiate from our default MA, and then make it a little thicker. This time we will click Data Source. On the data source, we will change from default period to H4. And then when we click OK, the 21 period moving average of the 4-hour chart is now shown along with the 21 period moving average of the 1-hour chart. This is very useful. This is very helpful in studying the momentum of the price, which we will discuss in the second part of the strategy. Now we're going to add the moving average for the daily chart. Okay, same process, same period, 21. And then let's change this color to light blue, a little thicker than the two other moving average. And on the data source, we will change from default period to D1. So now you've got there the 21 period moving average of the daily chart, the 21 moving average of the 4-hour and the 1-hour charts. And then finally, we're going to add the moving average for our weekly chart. Add indicator icon, select moving average. On the weekly chart, we're going to use the 10 period. Okay. Change the color to perhaps a darker one. And then the line width to say 5 to make it really visible. And on the data source, we will change to week 1 and click OK. See the 4 moving averages laid out on the same time frame on 1-hour chart in this case. See, now this is very obvious. When price is above the weekly moving average, the bias should be going long. And when the price is below the weekly moving average, the trading bias should be going short. All right, but we will give you a more detailed rules in order to pick those entries which are very highly probable and very highly profitable. All right, now we're going to set up the stochastic indicators. It's the same principle as we have done for the moving average. All right, so first we will add the stochastic, and we're going to use 21. a little thicker. Okay, this is the first step. So we're adding now the default period stochastic. Okay, the 21 period stochastic of the 1 hour chart. And we will add now the 21 period stochastic using price feed from the 4 hour chart. So it's the same process as we did for the moving average. We will still use 21. And then let's change the K line color. All right, the first one was about yellow green, so maybe we can use this time light blue. Okay, change the line width to 2. And then after you do that, you go to data source and change this to 4. All right. After you do that, you go to location. You click location and check this show indicator oscillator in a new area below the following area. So you have to uncheck this so that we can embed the new indicator, the new stochastic in the previous stochastic window. So just click OK. Now you will see the two stochastic periods in one window. So this stochastic yellow green represents the 21 stochastic period for the 1 hour chart, and this stochastic blue and red represents the 21 period stochastic for the 4 hour chart. All right, then we will add, using the same following the same process, the stochastic for the daily charts. Again, it's 21. Let's change the color to say okay, and then let's make the lines a little thicker. We will change this to D1, and then on the location we will just still embed this or overlay this on the previous stochastic window. Lastly, we will add the 21 stochastic period of the weekly. Change this to say gray. Let's make this thicker than the others. Data source should be week 1. On overlay on the previous stochastic window. Okay. Here we have 4 stochastics representing different time frames. So you have the 21 period stochastic of the 1 hour, the 21 period stochastic of the 4 hours, the 21 period stochastic of the daily, and the stochastic of the weekly. So altogether, these are the indicators that we are going to use for the multiple time frame analysis in our guerrilla forex trading strategy. To tidy your chart view, you just have to right click on your chart and hide the legend. All right, so you don't see those texts on your chart. Okay, so at first look, it looks very complicated, but when you read this using the rules that we've laid out for multiple time frame analysis, you will actually find this indicator setup very helpful in catching those big trends in the market. So after you do this, you just have to right click on your chart and go to template, save template. So maybe you put a name on this, multiple time frame strategy, save, or click OK. So that when you open a new chart, like create a new chart for euro dollar, for instance, you just have to apply template and look for multiple time frame strategy. Click OK. So automatically, the indicator setup for multiple time frame analysis is applied to this new chart. So hide legend. I also like to hide the grid so that I can have a cleaner view on my chart. So this is how you set up your chart using the indicators of for multiple time frame analysis. Okay, please proceed to the second video wherein we will discuss the specific rules to trade multiple time frame analysis using these different indicators. Thank you and good day.